Hi guys, in this video I will teach you the row adjust, column adjust, and the third one is I will border generated. Here we can see that there is no border, so I have generated the border. And the fourth one I will generate the table convert. So first of all we can press Control A for select your data, and then for adjust 0 alt o r a, and then we can for column we can press alt o c a. Here we can see that they are adjust. Here we can see the row and column are adjust, and I have also generated the border. So by pressing alt h b a, here we can see that the border are generated. And for table converter I have control T, and here we can only click on OK, and then we can select only OK. So waiting for few seconds, here we can see that they are converted into table. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.